Hey everyone, this is my submission for DeveloperWeek 2024 NewsSwipe. So swipe right on the news, left on the clutter. So how does your news feed look like? Like when you open some news, there are many ads, there are many pop-ups, and the whole news article is too much of a content. And it requires multiple clicks. So that's your news right now. It has advertisement, it has pop-ups. It's not a good user experience in totality. So how do we solve this? So let's meet NewsSwipe. So NewsSwipe is a news app which gives concise news and engaging in a TikTok style scrollable format, and is real time. So it sources latest news from multiple sources and summarizes them using AI, basically large language models using ChatGPT. So it has a headline, and then it has a summary of the news for you to read. And if you want to read more, you can always press read more to redirect you to the link of the news article. So let's see a demo. uh, so let's close this app for now, open it again. So it loads the latest news, and we have a first news article here, and we can scroll down. If you don't like that article, let's say Reddit closes, if you're reading this, something related to Polygon and all. So let's say you want to read more, you can just press read more and it will open that link. It also maintains view. Let's say you have viewed one article, it will again not show the same article, it will bring you a different article. Yeah, so that's NewsSwipe. Let's look at the architecture. How does it work? So we have a Swift application. This application connects to Gravity IO, which is our API gateway through entry points. These entry points connect to Amazon EC2 endpoints, which is running a Flask application on Docker. This Flask application has two jobs. First is serving the API request, and second is running the cron job. Cron job basically fetches all the news from Google News RSS feed and scrapes all the articles and passes them to GPT 3.5. This GPT 3.5 summarizes all the articles and stores them in Amazon DynamoDB. So DynamoDB stores summarized news and the user views. So let's look at all the applications we are using here. So we have first DynamoDB. It has three articles, and we have our EC2 instance running with the Flask application. Our API gateway is here, where we have these three APIs, and first is get top news. So this is a paginated API which returns top 20 news, paginated, and we can create a user and we can mark a news as viewed. So here we have also integrated API keys to make it secure, make this endpoint secure. Similarly, this is an application on Gravity. So we are also using GPT 3.5, and so here's our usage of OpenAI platform. And if you want to try out our app, please do try it on this link attached. And yeah, so it will be soon available on App Store as well, and or maybe first test flight for beta testing. But you can try out on this simulator right over here. So it will just work as it is. Yeah. Coming to next step. So we have multiple features on our roadmap. First is advertisement integrations, because basically to monetize the app, where we will show per 10 to 15 articles, we'll show one ad as a separate item in the feed itself, so it will not feel like something in between, and not cluttering your user experience of reading the actual news. Also, we'll bring in your two favorite topics, where you will only get the feed of the topics you like. Let's say you want to read about science, you will only get science news articles. You can also bookmark articles to get back later on an article, and also share external links to some articles which will redirect to the app, which will bring user engagement to the app. Yeah, so that's NewsSwipe. Thank you so much, and this is my submission for the Developer Week.